Some more examples. Find the exact values of sine x over 2 and tangent x over 2 without using a calculator if cotangent x is equal to negative 4 over 3. And we have cotangent x is equal to 1 over tangent x. That means we have negative 3/4. And tangent, and our x is in the second quadrant. So we have second quadrant here. Tangent 3/4. We have negative opposite side, that is 3. That's positive, and negative 4. And here is the square root of, for our hypotenuse, we have a square root of 16 plus 9, that is 25. Then we have 5 there. Okay, our x over 2 will be x over 4, pi over 4, and pi over 2. That is in the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant, and this is the first quadrant. Okay, let's try. So we have sine x over 2 is equal to positive negative square root of, we have 1 minus cosine. Cosine is in the second quadrant. Then we have negative 4 over 5 over 2. And we know that sine x over 2 in the first quadrant, that's positive, so we remove the positive and negative there. Concentrate us on the positive. Then we have 5 plus 4 over 5 multiplied by 1/2. Then we have square root of 9 over 10. Then we have 3 over square root of 10. And then square root of 10 there, square root of 10. Then we have 3 square root of 10 over 10. It's positive. Okay. And then we have tangent x over 2. Let's see which of them is not complicated. It's alright, it doesn't matter here. We can use that. We have sine x. Our x is on the second quadrant, that's positive. We have 3/5 there, divided by 1 plus, we have negative 4/5. So we have 3/5 multiplied by, not yet. We have 3/5 over, we have 5 minus 4 over 5. This will become 1. Then we have 3. And tangent, the first quadrant, is positive, so it's alright with 3. Okay, let's see. Can we do this? Let's see if we can do that. Verify the identity. Sine squared x over 2 is equal to tangent x minus sine x divided by 2 tangent x. Let's see. We know that tangent is sine x over cosine x minus sine x over, not over here, 2 sine x over cosine x. Then simplify, we have sine x minus sine x cosine x over cosine x over, maybe it is better if we put that one here, 2 sine x over cosine x. So this one will become 1. Then we have sine x minus sine x cosine x over 2 sine x. We have a common factor. We have sine x minus No, it should be not minus. Focus. 1 minus cosine x divided by 2 sine x. So this will become 1. Then we have 1 minus cosine x over 2. Okay. They are now equal. This is equal to sine squared x over 2. Why? We know that I can use here with another pen. Sine x over 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus cosine x over 2. So if we take square to both sides, then we have sine squared x over 2 is equal to 1 minus cosine x over 2. The thing that we got there. What happened if we're not going to use this side, the right hand side? We're going to do the left hand side. I don't know if we can do that, but as I said, we have sine squared x over 2 is 1 minus cosine x over 2, which give us, if we need to have tangent. So if I'm going to put 1 as tangent x over tangent x minus cosine x, I'm going to remove that, over 2. Okay, and then we have tangent x minus cosine x, tangent x over tangent x, and then we have over 2. So we have now tangent x minus cosine x. This tangent will become sine x over cosine x, and then over tangent x multiplied by 1/2. Now you can see, maybe you can see now that this will become 1. Then we have tangent x minus sine x divided by 2 tangent x. So it doesn't matter which way you want to do. Okay, next we start with the tangent. We have now tangent, we have sine x plus over cosine x plus sine x over 2 sine x cosine x, and then we have sine x plus sine x cosine x over cosine x over 2 sine x cosine x. Almost similar to what we did in our previous example. That is 1 now. Then we have common factor. We have sine x 1 plus cosine x over 2 sine x. And then we have 1 plus cosine x over 2. This is now our cosine squared x over 2. If we want to do the other way around, we have cosine squared x over 2 is equal to 1 plus cosine x divided by 2. Then we have tangent there plus cosine x over tangent x over 2. And then we have tangent x plus cosine x tangent x over tangent x over 2. Then we have tangent x plus cosine x sine x over cosine x over tangent x multiplied by 1/2. Then this will become 1. Then we have tangent x plus sine x over 2 tangent x. Okay, that's it. In my next video, I will be discussing a series of videos again, the product to sum and sum to product formulas. And as you can see here, and the one, sum to product, product to sum. Okay, so thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you will be there in my next series of videos. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.